The scorching heat of the summer and the opening of the economy have helped the Toronto real estate market come back with a vengeance. I'll tell you about the numbers and how these figures mean to you if you are thinking of buying or selling a home right after this. Hi, my name is Lei Villar-Cisneros, your real estate go-to resource in the Greater Toronto Area. And I post real estate related contents every week to help families like yours in their journey of buying, selling, or financing a home. To see more contents like this, subscribe to my channel now and don't forget to hit the bell so that you will be notified first when a new video is released. In this video, we'll talk about the residential transactions in July 2020 as compared to July last year. We'll also talk about month-over-month comparison from June to July of 2020. And then lastly, we'll talk about how the market is moving in the areas of Toronto, York, and Durham. Now let's look at some numbers. The residential transactions in July of 2020 has reported 11,081 transactions in July of 2020 compared to last year of 8,555 transactions. So that has put July in a record-breaking 29.5% hike. Now, with regard to the average sales price, we have reported $943,710 average sales price for this year compared to last year of $806,971. This is about 16.9% difference in the sales price. Now, with regards to new listing for July of 2020, it has reported 17,956 new listing compared to last year of 14,403. This is a change of 24.7%. Now, with regards to active listings, we've seen it in July that it has a lower listings at 15,018 listings compared to last year at 7,938. So we have a decline of about 16.3%. So that means that listings are not so many. Now we're gonna look at the month-over-month comparison from July and June. So month-over-month in July, it's reported at 11,081 transactions, and in June was 8,701 transactions. So normally in July, we see a dip in the sales because of the summer vacation. But because of the travel restrictions posted because of the COVID-19 pandemic, not a lot of families are going out on vacation. So they are only close to their houses, and because of the opening of stage 3, people are more able to go out and look for properties. So this has brought in 27.3%. Let me repeat that, 27.35% hike in the transactions. This is a record breaking because this has never happened before. Now, in regards to the active listings for July, we have reported 15,018 active listings compared to last year of 14,001. So this is about 7.26% hike. Now, average sales price from June is $930,869, but in July we've seen $943,710. So it's not too significant, but it's still a big in terms of dollar amount. So that's about 10 to 12,000 hike, or 1.38% in percent change. Now, in regards to the property days on the market, so it's 1 day less in July compared to June, or that is about 3.85%. So that means that houses are getting sold faster in July compared to June. With regards to the mortgage, the prime rate and the benchmark remains at 2.45% and 4.94% respectively. Because the prime rate and the benchmark rate has stayed, the lenders have more room for offering lower prices, and with the borrowers being able to be approved for a higher value. So that is a positive for the buyer. Now let's look at how the market is going in the city of Toronto. We have reported 3,577 transactions with $1,017,320 average sales price. There were 6,930 reported new listings and 6,129 of these are active listings. And the days on the market, or we call months of inventory, is at 1.7, and they are 102% over asked, and 23 days on the market. So that is a good indication of being in a seller's market. Now we will look at the York region, starting with Georgina. Reported 135 sales in the month of July, $699,790 average sales price. They have reported new listings of 192. Of those, 167 are active. They have 2.6 months of inventory and selling at 100% of the asking price, and reporting 31 days on the market. So what it means is, although it's a little bit longer, it takes a month to do the sale, they are still getting 100% of the asking price. Now we will look at new market. We reported 173 sales, $863,366 average sales price, and they have 272 new listings with 219 of those active, 1.7 months of inventory with 100% of asking, and they are at 34 days on the market. So let's look at bond. It's reporting 450 transactions with $1,140,446 average sales price, and they had 818 new listings and 831 active listings, putting them at 2.5 months of inventory with 99% of the asking price, and they are at 30 days in the market. So although it's taking a little bit longer, they are still getting very, very close to asking price, and 2.5 months of inventory. That means they are still in a hot seller's market. Now let's look at the Durham area. Durham region in total has reported 1,583 transactions with $709,640 average sales price, and 1,905 new listings, of which 1,185 of these are active. They have 1.4 months on the market and 102% of the asking price, and the days on the market is 20 days. Now let's break it down to a smaller region. Ajax has reported 223 transactions in July with $754,491 average sales price, 273 new listings and 139 active, 1.5 months of inventory, and they are, take note of this, they have 103 asking price. Very, very hot market, and their days on the market is only 15 days. Now Oshawa has reported 409 transactions at $606,731 average sales price, and 498 new listings and 261 active, 1.5 months of inventory, also 103% of asking price, and they are selling in 20 days. We'll look at two more, and that's Pickering. Pickering has reported 200 transactions at 838,833 average sales price, and they have 263 new listings and 186 active, putting them at 1.5 months of inventory, 101% of the ask, and 24 days in the market. Now, lastly, we'll talk about Whitby. Whitby has reported 312 transactions at $749,817 average sales price. With 370 new listings and 201 active listings, it's putting them at 1.2 months of inventory. And they are selling at 101% of the asking price and 22 days in the market. So, as you see, prices are really heating up. So, if you are a homeowner looking to sell your property right now, you are in a very, very good time as long as you put your house in the correct market value. If you need help in marketing or getting the right value of your home, give me a shout and I would be happy to help you. Now, what it means for the buyers, right now you are really in a tight spot, so make sure that you are pre-approved so you know how much you can afford. So with the less inventory, we don't have a lot of choices right now, and that's why houses are selling really fast. So this is all we've got today. My name is Lei Villar-Cisneros with Right at Home Realty for the Toronto Real Estate Market Update for July 2020. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next month for another market update. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it right now, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you will be notified when a new video has been released. So I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.